alligator snouts, instead of beaks. And snouts, I don't know if you've heard about all this, but at some point we should get into all the chimeras and things that's sort of being sort of a rewind of evolution and colloidal biology and everything. If people are interested to read Jubb's Cell Rejuvenation and Secrets of an Alkaline Body, Jubb's Cell Rejuvenation really does talk a lot about vibration and energetic and things, and effect of light, and how light is a liquid, just like water, and it can pass by things and carry information with it. And then lasers have been used to pass by chickens, for instance, and chicken DNA then is altered. A duck, like for instance, a laser can pass through duck sort of DNA, and then be entered into chicken, and alter the chicken to end up with sort of snouts and webbed feet and that sort of thing. But bills, and then alligator and that sort of thing. It's and that sort of the signaling and molecular control, and you've got uh, quite serious sort of anatomical change, and things in life and biology, and animals and fish and birds and insects, and a line on the ground, for instance, it's interesting, but that line on the ground put in front of the beak of a bird can cause, and the bird being held upside down a little, can have caused the bird its neurology to be split for some time, where there can have been a sort of a hypnotic sort of a state having been created by that. And that's a phenomenon in neurology that people have noticed there, with birds and other life forms as well, and things. Laser, blocking bone morphogenic protein, these BPMs, and 100% of the time when that's applied, the chickens end up with webbed feet like ducks, and that's 100% of the time that that happens. But life being reduced to nothing but sort of reified isn't really ethical. But that we're really caring very much to ever be putting forward things and remodel of what's that's involved in that, and certainly people can be sensed that this is crazy, but the you've got mouse mice with human brains, hybrids, and you're getting permission to grow mice that have human brains, and pigs with artificial cores and things, injecting with like the brain of a genius, so then that a mouse can solve problems much better, or just getting rat neurons in a petri dish and causing them to be taught how to fly planes and things. But you've got inserting sort of these by xenografts and things in the peritoneum and the omentum, and the growing of various sorts of tissues and things from these cells.